only small mosquito.
It was really giant mosquito. That's why so hard. Yes. So ouchy. Oh.
And first,
Okay.
oh,
Oh, giant mosquito. Oh, my arm. Oh.
give me one.
Okay.
And
Oh, you are such a good doctor. Oh.
we need this.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, so itchy bitchy spider. Oh, so itchy bitchy.
It's not a spider. It's a mosquito.
It was very giant, looking like a giant spider.
No.
Maybe Spider-Man sent giant mosquito to
No.
bite. Okay. Oh, I feel much better. Thank you. In our Bible story, we heard about Job's friend named Elihu. He helped Job and reminded him that God always does what is right. It is good to help a friend. So let's make a pair and let's give a treatment to each other. So Joan just gently gave me a very good treatment from the giant mosquito bite.
It's not a giant mosquito.
What about you? Oh, who hurt you here? Whoa, I went back here.
A scooter.
Scooter?
Yeah.
Scooter? Your scooter?
Yeah.
Okay, so first alcohol spray.
Ah,
And you need a gauze.
I don't like it good.
Okay, and shoo. Oh, why is it working? I'm a very good mommy doctor, but what happened? Okay. Oh, I don't seem professional. Oh, I got it. Okay, two. And shoot. Okay. Wow, what a good treatment we got from each other. We can tell to a friend about God. What other ways can we help friends? How do you feel when your friends help you? How do you feel whenever mommy helps you or your friends help you?
Love.
Very love. You feel very loved, right? Yes. We feel love to each other through helping one another.